Hey sweet friends, welcome back to Bustling Big Cakes. Today we are whipping up something warm, spicy, and absolutely irresistible ginger snap cookies. We start by bringing together all our spices ginger, cinnamon, cloves, all the Christmas vibes, and adding it to flour in a bowl. We mix that together until well combined. Then we cream the margarine and sugar till it's looking light and fluffy, like it's ready for a holiday photo shoot. I had to transfer that to another bowl because that one broke while mixing. Now we add in our flour mixture to the margarine mixture. Mix everything together until well combined. I did this twice. Then I added milk. A gentle reminder, sweet friends, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss our yummy bakes. Here, I'm using my 1 tablespoon measuring spoon to scoop the dough. Roll the dough into cute little balls and give them a sugary coat so they bake up with that iconic crackly sparkle. I later rolled the dough in sugar, but I did that off camera. Sorry about that. Into the oven they go. Your whole house will suddenly feel like December. And just look at that snap, crispy edges. Crispy both inside and out. The kind of cookie that disappear before it even cools down. If you love easy festive bakes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet magic. Let's keep baking happiness. See you in the next one. Bye.